हेलो एवरीवन, गुड मॉर्निंग टू ऑल ऑफ यू। आज हम इस एडिटोरियल को लेके आए हैं आपका इंग्लिश को इम्प्रूव करने के लिए। इस एडिटोरियल में जो भी न्यू वर्ड्स या हार्ड वर्ड्स मिलते हैं उसे एक्सप्लेन करते हैं ताकि आपको आसानी से समझ में आ जाए और नेक्स्ट टाइम आप भी इन वर्ड्स को यूज़ कर सकते हैं अपना डेली लाइफ पे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज का इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक है ए फेयर शेयर। फेयर का मतलब होता है यहाँ पे अच्छा। A fair share on divisible pool of tax collection। टैक्स कलेक्शन का न्यायपूर्ण बंटवारा। नेक्स्ट, रिटर्निंग द 41% शेयर इन द डिविजिबल पोल फॉर स्टेट्स विल बी अनजस्ट। अनजस्ट का मतलब होता है जो कि रॉन्ग है, कोई गलत है। Returning the 41% share in the divisible pool for states will be unjust. The 16th Finance Commission, whose recommendations on financial devolution will be valid from April 1, 2026, faces a piquant situation. Piquant मतलब होता है एक मज़ेदार सिचुएशन है, इंटरेस्टिंग सिचुएशन है। द 16th फाइनेंस कमीशन हुज रिकमेंडेशंस ऑन फाइनेंशियल डिवोल्यूशन विल बी वैलिड फ्रॉम April 1, 2026 faces a piquant situation. Next, its chairman Arvind Panagaria had noted last week that 22 out of 28 states, including many ruled by the Bharatiya Janata Party, had asked for a larger share of the divisible pool of tax collections from 41% to 51%, a legitimate demand। एक बहुत ही legitimate demand मतलब एक जायज़ मांग है। Next, the union government has effectively shrunk मतलब contract होगा the divisible pool by disproportionately increasing its revenue through non-shareable cesses and surcharges, whose share of the center's gross tax revenue soared from 12.8% between 2015 to 2016 to 2019 to 2020 pre-pandemic years to 18.5 between 2020 to 2021 and 2023 to 2024. Next, thus the effective share of states in the center's gross tax revenues averaged close to 31% in the 2020 to 2021 to 2023 to 2024 period. It was 35% in the previous corresponding period. Next, compounding this is the post-GST reality, where limited avenues for states to raise their revenue make them critically dependent on central transfers. While GST collections have been fairly good in recent years, this has still not addressed the issue of the reduced avenues for states to increase their revenue. Further, इसके अलावा the existing formula for horizontal devolution with a heavy weightage given to population and income distance is seen by economically progressive states, the South, as a penalty for performance and responsible governance. Keeping the status quo would go against the grain and the idea of cooperative federalism that the BJP-led government has emphasized. Emphasized का मतलब जोर दिया है। Mr. Panagaria also remarked that a sudden 9-point jump to 50% would upset too many cards, indicating that the center would be loath to lessen means कम करना, reduce करना, lessen its share because of rising expenditure on defense and other capital intensive projects. Next, this means that the finance commission would be less inclined का मतलब होता है किसी तरफ झुका होना, to engage with states demands, also explaining why it might keep the devolution share unchanged at 41%. Yet, इसके बावजूद doing so would be a missed opportunity to forge a new federal compact. A modest increase in the vertical devolution meeting states demands halfway would be a welcome signal. ये जो है ये बहुत ही वेलकम सिग्नल है, अच्छा संकेत होगा. The Finance Commission must also recommend a mechanism that will rein in the arbitrary use of cesses and surcharges, maybe even capping them at a fixed percentage of the gross tax revenue of the center and including any surplus collection in the divisible pool, as some have suggested. It must fine-tune the horizontal distribution criteria to create a more equitable balance between a state's needs, its area, and its performance. Crafting a formula that is fiscally prudent and one that strengthens the federal structure at its roots, the states, is imperative. Imperative मतलब जरूरी है.